Good morning to all of you. Today we will see another subunit, that is the viruses. Under viruses, we will see first of all the discovery and the general characters of viruses. First of all, we will see the discovery of viruses. The mosaic disease of tobacco was first discovered by Mayer in 1886, but he did not demonstrate the presence of any kind of disease of agent. Later on, Ivansky in 1892 showed that the extracted juice of diseased tobacco plant, which is filtered free from bacteria, would cause a disease in healthy plants when rubbed on leaves. But later on, another scientist, that is the Mengerning, first stated that the disease of tobacco is not due to bacteria. Later on, it was found that the viruses cause a yellow spots in a tobacco leaves. This virus is called as a tobacco mosaic virus, that is the TME, was isolated as a crystals by a Stanley in 1935, and it was shown to be the nature of nucleoproteins. A number of viruses were discovered which attacks a different host, like phytophages attacks on plants, while the zoophages attacks on animals. Viruses which infects a blue-green algae, these are called as cyanophages. Those viruses attacks yeast are called as hymophages, while the viruses that attacks on bacteria are called as bacteriophages. First of all, we will see the general characters of viruses. The viruses, these are nucleoproteins, but they are strictly parasitic. They might have arisen from organisms having a cellular structure. They may be a nucleoproteins released from such cells remaining inside outside the host. The viruses may be connecting between the non-living things and living things. They shows the following characteristics of living organisms. The first characteristic, they are obligate parasites. They are multiplied inside the host cell. They contain a DNA or RNA as a genetic material. They can show the variations due to mutations, while the viruses, they show some non-living bodies or non-living characteristics because they can be isolated as a crystals. They do not show a cellular characteristics. They do not show any metabolic activities outside the host cell. When they are outside the host, they are like inert particles without a characteristic of life. Thank you.